now. Friday, 14/08, 26 seconds, year 2023, 7th month, July 14th day. Well, I had got it in there, and it looked like it did go on the post. So I went ahead and I put it on the post, but I just got it in there, kind of jimmed on the post and whatnot, and I bent it. But, and I just put the little part. But I cut it. I pulled this part out and I bent it to see if I could just get it to stick together and touch this thing. Then I didn't realize, that it looked like I couldn't get it, but I realized, but then after I cut it, I put it back together automatically. I had to bend it back in shape to get it to fit in there. And then afterwards, it's touching now. And I realized, oh fuck, I didn't have to cut this thing. Because I could just put it in there and it would have been permanently connecting, just like that. And you just taped it up, kept it together. So I just, instead of fucking putting it back together, I just said, fuck it, sorry, cut. I just went and twisted the wires together, put a fucking thing on it. And it was at first, I had it just kind of hanging. Fuck! Fucking only got one fucking hand. Hold on. It was hanging out like this. Hanging out like that, and I figured, well, that might fall off, and then the wires will touch the thing, or it might get connected there, whatever the fuck. Then the strip wires, and then they'll touch, and I'll electrocute the self. So I just went ahead and said, fuck it, I'm just going to bring it through here, and then just let it set like that. It ain't going nowhere. It's in there. It's cogged up in there, and I got it together. So, with all shits and giggles said and done, and I set this lid now. Now I can close it. I should be able to set this thing, and it should fire up, and I should hear it fire up. Oh, I gotta turn the power on. Hold on. Yeah, I gotta go to the breaker switch because I got the breaker switch. So go in here. Look, card cases, miscellaneous files. Dryer on. There's the water heater that I just did that with. Shut the light there. Now, according to all theories, this fucker should fire. This should fire right on up. If I shut it, turn it on, it should fire. Yeah! And it would be just the same. It never stopped when I opened the door, so I've always ran it that way. It never stopped when I opened the door, and I didn't really fucking give a shit. I didn't even realize that lever was there or whatever the fuck. But anyway, so that's that. Now I can put all this fucking shit. I pulled the fucking dryer, washer out, and all that fucking shit. Put the screws back in it. Where the fuck I put them screws? Where the fuck they go? Holy fuck. These two screws went to this. Right there. So, a little switch. So, plus I can order the new switch on eBay. They have it for $9 or give them, so I'll give them $8 an offer for $8 or whatever the fuck. And then I'll put another one in there. I'll get it on video too. So anyway, now I shall move this back. Put this back together. See, this went in like that, and then the screws came up from the bottom. So I'll put them in back from the bottom. Then I'll go around the back here. All this fucking shit. Put the foot there. Come around the back here. I should clean this up while I'm back here too. So let me go get the broom and clean it up. But I'm gonna put these two screws in here because there's a couple screws that go to the back for the hinges for that thing. So let me get the broom while I'm back there and just clean it up. I already cleaned the inside out. Got all the fucking lint and shit that's in there. So I'm just gonna go back here. Got the broom here. Put the foot there. There's fucking shit here. All over the fucking thing there. So I'll just fucking set this fucker right here, I suppose. And then hit the canvas and fucking put it like that. Let's go in here. That ain't the best one for that. You need to get the dustpan for that. Get the back of this thing all clean. Plus I gotta put the fucking lint thing back on that's not connected. That's always a bitch to fucking get together. Plus it fucking smells like fucking dusty lint down there. What I need is a fucking 30-foot fucking lint pipe going all the way out to the fucking window, out the side of the fucking cat rain shed here. But now I need a fucking flashlight to fucking get in here for this shit. It's so fucking cramped in here. All this fucking shit. Fucking glasses are falling all over the fucking place. Everything's all fucking tight cramped right here. That's that. That's there. Fucking shake it out. Bunch of shit inside that pipe. Fucking smoking like a storm. Fucking broom getting fucking stuck now. Cat food lid in here, can of cat food, fucking 220 power cables in the way because it's connected up underneath the fucking house. Only way to disconnect it, I got it permanently connected to the 220. Fucking clean the back of the fucking dryer off. Alright, that's that. I can put these fucking screws back in. Hold the fucking thingamajig. I'll show you where the fucking screws go. Those screws right there, those are the hinges. So just fucking holding the camera and fucking wrenching at the same fucking time. Anyway, so that's the close-up on that. Put this back in here. Need some head in there. Put the other fucking screw in. That one's tight. That one's tight. Now I gotta kind of loosen this fucking bolt for this one. I happen to have a fucking screwdriver. Fits in there. So I can loosen it up. Then I'm gonna have to bend down there and fucking cramped at a fucking odd fucking angle just to get this fucker on. I remember I've been down there times before and it's a fucking bitch. Hopefully, maybe there'll be something easy with it this time. Okay, so it goes in there and then it twists. Everything's got a twist. So I gotta get this thing to twist the best I can. Not like that. So I hear it fucking go down there. Now I'm gonna get the camera down there. Fuck! Now I gotta got my fucking hands full of fucking shit. Now I gotta fucking drop that shit just to get this down here. Alright. It's all a bunch of fucking bullshit, man. You know, all this low technology living like this fucking bullshit. Everything's fucking cramped as fuck, compact sardine fucking fuck cans. Now I just saw how fucking dirty he is. To get all the fucking shit off the back of these vents in this washer, this dryer. Fucking years of fucking lint build up. Last time I cleaned up back here was probably fucking 10 years ago. That was the last time I fucked around with this fucking pipe thing too. Probably 10 years of fucking go. Alright, so piece of shit on here. There just ain't no fucking room. Even turning the fucking screwdriver fucking bolt. It just ain't much room. Everything's all fucking divoted and dented and pivoted in. Ain't no fucking light, you can't fucking see. Fuck. Jesus fuck. And the more I fucking tighten it, the more it seems like it's fucking squeezing off the small part around the hole. it's starting to get tight. I'm just gonna fucking leave it right the fuck there. Fuck out of here. Jesus Christ. So there it is. It's connected in there somehow. It fucking falls off again. Fuck it. So I'm thinking, but never know. I might just get right back in there. Alright, so I'll put this here. Hi, boob. I boob right there. Look at that fucker. Close. I'll put this over here. Now I'll get these fuckers, push this fucker back. I don't want to go back too far because, yeah, that's just right. Because I got this fucking, where the fuck did it go? Jesus fuck, where the fuck did it go? That's a question. I had a shelf. There's a metal shelf that goes right there. Jesus fuck. Anyway, fuck that. I'm gonna put this hose back in here in the water outlet somewhat. Get this, it'll show up here. Get this fucking shit out of the way. Get all this stuff off here. So I can lift this fucking washing machine at a fucking angle. Let's push it back. Little bit, and then now that I got it back further, I can push that in the hose more. Now I can lift it again. Whew. That back there quite somewhat far. Pull it out. Make sure that's in there. Everything's connected. Wonderful. Fucking finished. Get this fucking thing out from under the fucking washer now. This fucking jack off. Fucking hoist, man. They're all fucking angled at a fucking angle. It's wonderful for lifting it up. Seems to keep it on, but God, there's got to be a much more efficient way around that fucking bullshit. Pulling that fucker out all the fucking time. Don't even want to come out. Anyway, so that's that. Now I can get I've got a load of clothes in there that's been sitting and waiting for it to turn, so now it's going. This project is finished. Fuck. It ain't fucking one thing, it's a fucking another. Never fucking ending fucking bullshit. But way it goes. Alright. The pleasing sound. The washer, the dryer's turning now. Boob. Fuck that. Put these fucking glasses back where I got them. Fucking guitar thing. I caught another fucking mosquito last night. He's still in there. The last one I caught, he was croaked. He wasn't moving. Here's where the guitar needle nose go for the guitar stuff. He's still in there fucking flying around. Oh, there. Wait, no, there he is. He's in there. See if he'll fly. Red fucker. Fuck, he's not showing up on a fucking camera. I just saw him in there. Must be up in the corner up there. Yeah, he's up in the corner. Now where the fuck do you go? He's barely alive. There he is. He's kind of like, yeah. He doesn't have much energy left. He's in there though. I think I'll have compassion on him. Now that he knows what it's like to get caught. He says, fuck, man, Jesus Christ. I'll set him out here. He'll be like, it's got holes in it. You know, he can somewhat breathe. So I'm going to let him out. See if he gets on camera when he flies out. He's still in there. See, there he is. He's right down there in that corner. I'll just kind of let him. He has to get his energy back now that he's got more oxygen. He's thinking, thank God, or thank whatever the fuck. He's just there. See if he'll come out. He ain't got much energy. I'll just put him on the sidewalk. There he is. Nope, that's not him. Where the fuck did he go? Yeah, I guess that is him. Yeah, he's weak. He needs some water or something, some food. He says, I just need to bite into it, get some Dracula blood. I'll get him some water over here. There's water on this thing. The hose here. Kind of hot water too. There, see if he gets to it. There you go. Put some on a reed for him. There you go, bud. It says, there. Now he's getting closer to it. Might be dehydrated. There he is still. He's right there. Little brown body type. Getting him some drinks. So I'll just let him be there and I'll periodically scope on him, see what he's up to. Hopefully I don't step on him throughout the rest of the day. I'd have to remember that he's still there. Alright, so. Fuck. Another one. I just fucking hit the fucking skin on the fucking pinky where the skin tore off. Got a fucking spot. Fuck. Right here in the fucking pinky. Where is it? Oh, it's the cuticle. Here. Fucking cuticle. There, right in there. Get a fucking close up. Yeah. Fucking all that fucking hammering and shit and lifting boards and shit, breaking fucking cuticles. Anyway, put this back in the bedroom next to the bed. This is the favorite way that I capture fucking mosquitoes. I'll be laying on the bed here. I was getting up and putting the light on, then they'd escape. Then I started learning how to use the fucking light, fucking smartphone, because I'm actually just laying there watching videos, YouTube videos, or Google searching or whatever the fuck. And then fucking, I'll hit this. Now I can just fucking quickly, I see where you're at. I can fucking quickly catch them. Last night I saw him right next to the head. I just fucking grabbed a cup I had open and ready. I just right up against the wall, and I was like, didn't seem like I got him, but I looked in there and he was in there. Then I just slide the lid to the Tupperware thing and just keep it closed and slide it until it's all the way shut. And now I'm gonna put all these fucking tools away. we had a big peroxide, 34%. I used more percentage on the peroxide. So that goes there. Screwdriver goes there. This is gonna go there. Another screwdriver goes there. This is 10mm bolts for the fucking thing that fucking pops on the fucking. Oh, sorry, bro. There you go. She needs cuddlers. Well, come over here. Fuck yeah, I'm going over here. Too much traffic. Fucking trafficker. And then this is the fucking dryer thing, so I'll just put this in the spare parts jar. Goes in here with the rest of the fucking switches. You know, it's nice to be able to pull the door open and have the dryer shut, but if I need this dryer to shut, I just put it on fucking off, open the door, everything stops spinning. Anyway, so that's that. Okay, so I did have, I must have put it over here, yeah. That's where I put it, okay. I put all this shit over here. So here's the shelf I was looking for. Ah, fuck. I gotta pull it out. It doesn't even fit. Hold on. Fucking shut it off so I can open the door. Fucking wet underpants fall out, so I move this fucker out. There. Now I can shut the door. Just push it in with the body, hold that up. There. Then turn it fuck back on. Goes right back on too. And then grab this. This is the shelf. Fuck. 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 Triple fuck, man. Fucking thing fell off, then I put it on, crushed something, now I had to lift this and now it's smashing the fucking hand. What a bunch of shit. Oh, this went there. Oh, now it's up fucking upside down. Look at that shit. Fuck. Now I gotta shut the fucker off. Pull the fucker back out again. Fuck. Now it's right side fucking up. Shut the fucking door. Put the fucker up in there. Up too much on this side. There. Fucker right there. Whoops, I had the fucking camera where now I can. Shit. Now fucking turn the fucker back on. On, fucker. Alright, now I put these back here. Alright, now I'm fucking done with that shit. Fuck. Jesus Christ. Well, at least there's gonna be dry clothes now. Otherwise, I'd have to hang them all on the fucking line outside. All right, now back to the rain shed. I need a fucking break. I need to sit down and relax. Fuck. Anyway, end of the video. Later. Place off with love. Fuck you. I said fuck you.